How to disable lock screen notification on Samsung phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the SkyTech Studio, and today's guide I'll show you how you can turn off all the notification from the Samsung lock screen. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to disable the lock screen notification, you just need to go and open up the settings app from your Samsung phone, and from the settings you just need to scroll down, tap on notifications. Now once you're here inside the notification, you'll get to see the first option, lock screen notification. You just need to tap on this and you'll get to see it's currently turned on. So if you want to completely disable or turn off the notification from the lock screen, then all you have to do is just need to toggle off this option, and once you do that, no notification will be showing up on your lock screen. But if you want to get the notification but you want to hide the messages or the notification that you get on the lock screen, then you can enable this, but you'll get to see it selected with the show content. That means whenever you get any message on the lock screen, you'll get to see the message. But if you want to hide the message or the notification, you can tap on hide content. That means you'll get to see only the icon with the notification but not the specific message. And this is how you can hide notification on your lock screen on Samsung phone. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.